Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as it goes by the title, December 4th is my mom's birthday and it's her 50th birthday. Happy birthday mom, I love you so much. Wish you all the happiness in the world. We all love you, we all admire you for the reasons that you for the reasons just for being you, different, unique, and funny, and whatnot. I am staying so away from in different country. A small little thing that I can do for that probably might bring smile on a face because this is what you are, you know. Happy birthday once again. Hope this video brings you smile and let's get started. First things first. My mom wakes me up in such a annoying way that anyone in that room can wake up. She just doesn't like me sleeping while she's awake. Why do you always have a problem while I'm sleeping? Be it morning, be it afternoon, be it whenever. Let's see what all she does while I sleep.
Gayu, Gayu.
Gayu, Gayu, late. Afternoon time. You should not sleep. Ma, I'm feeling very sleepy. Let me sleep. No. What? No, you should not sleep. No, you wake up and do some work. Go and do some efficient work. You're very lazy. You have become very lazy nowadays. Wake up. You're very young. At this age, it's not a good habit to sleep at afternoon. You'll become fat. Guys, second thing, I'm mom's very sweet. Whenever you crave for something, be it a sweet, be it something, a favorite dish of yours that you like, you say, Ma, I feel like eating this, or I feel like eating that. She does it, right? My mom is not like that. You gotta see the next clip to understand what I'm talking about. Amma, at least today, please. I feel like eating puri. Please make it. No. Puriya. Whatever you want, order online. I can't do. See my body. I have so much body pain. I can't do. I will do some other day. Okay, not today. Last week you said the same when I said I feel like eating puri. Yeah, what I do? Different. I'm getting old. No, see, every day my body is paining a lot. Understand? Chalakuti, go and order online itself. Whatever you want, go order online. And have no problem. Hi. So, guys, there are always situations when we actually make some mistake, knowingly or unknowingly, or there might be something that might trouble your mom. So, I just wanted to ask, how does your mom react when she finds out? Does she scold you, or does she say it sweetly? Kana, you have done like this. Don't do like that. Very sweet. My mom has a different language actually. She does a different thing with me that only I can understand. And it's very dangerous. Is she angry because of me? Ma? What happened? Why are you so angry? Nothing, Gayo. Probably because I'm using the mobile. Because I have kept my room messy. Still she's angry. Oh, I didn't do the work that she assigned. Sometimes you feel too affectionate towards your mom. You feel like loving her, showing her affection by hugging and kissing. That makes her very happy, right? Or my daughter or son is hugging me with so much love. That would bring her so much happiness. I wish that was the same with me. Amma. Amma. Ah, my back. You're hurting me, guy. You soft up. You won't do. I love you so much. You're very. Yeah. What do you want? What happened suddenly? Huh? Go and eat. Oh, come on. Guys, shopping can be super fun with mom. At least with daughters. I'm sure many people would have nice time shopping with mothers. Where does your mom love to go for shopping? Malls? Street shopping? Groceries? Anything. I love shopping with my mom too, but my situation is kind of different. Online. People who know her well knows about this well. What are you doing? I'm shopping for groceries online, Gayu. Groceries online? But you will never go to store and all. Isn't it better to go to store and pick exclusively like while you see the product directly? See, you can get everything online nowadays. You're young only. You're a millennial. Still, you're wanting to go to shop and all. Who will go? I saw some nice online websites recently. You're very nice. I saw some good Instagram page. I saw some websites. They are all having very beautiful design. Come into one place. Come see. These designs are all good. See this. See these designs are all good. I saw this recently only and I saved it. See, yeah, the designs are good. Oh, there is nothing in this world that you don't have a solution online. Google now. Okay. I will Google and say. I give all the solution, all proper solution just by sitting in one place and Googling. Because I have patience. That's why my son-in-law has kept me in Google auntie name, no? I'm sure many of you guys would have been through situations when you're meeting your mom after a long time and she says things like बेटा तुम बहुत दुबली हो गई हो or in other language இவ்வளோ ஒல்லி ஆயிட்ட சாப்பிட்றதே இல்லையா things like that. And in situation when you're dolled up and you feel so pretty and sometimes you feel so lean and you expect some compliment from her, well, you're lucky. Bye, I'm going out. Okay, bye. Careful, okay? Careful while driving. Bye. What? Aren't you getting late? Don't I look good today? Okay. Not to I look slimmer. Slimmer? That I should say, you should not say. I don't think you have become slim and all. I shouldn't have asked you only. You never say the truth. Bye. So that's it for the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. I tried super differently. I don't know. I feel so weird. I don't know how much you guys might like it. Especially this video is dedication to my mom. I love you, mother. She just doesn't like lad pyar, affection, showing affection. She's like, come on. I showed a part of scenario in this video. If you noticed it, yes. She's like that. Anyway, being this far, some tiny little thing that I could do. Happy birthday, happy 50th. You're always young and you will always remain young. You will always remain my sister and friend. That's it for the video. It's completely out of the context that I usually do. Comic, which I have a very bad sense of humor. So if you liked it, like, share, and subscribe. And also share it with your mom. If she finds this relatable and she finds it funny and it makes her day and it makes her laugh, that's where my job is done. So I hope I made my mom laugh in this video. I hope you laughed, mommy. Bye. I'll see you guys in my next video.